YouTube have monetized my channel. Hey guys, it's Charlie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Now you may have noticed that in some of my videos, I've now got ads on them, which means YouTube have monetized my channel. Oh my goodness. I am so excited by this. It means that now I am gonna start getting paid for YouTube. It's a very, very small amount and you still have to reach a threshold of a certain amount to get paid. But I'm absolutely stoked about this. This is so cool. So I'm gonna be basically explaining to you guys today how to get monetized on YouTube and the steps I took to enable me to get there. So if you would like to hear my story and find out how your channel can get monetized too, then just keep watching. So before I start this video, I just want to give two different channels a shout out which deserve so much more recognition than they're already getting. The first one is Sophie Helyn here on YouTube. She has a channel all about Florida and Disney. So if you love that kind of stuff, go and check out her channel. I will put it in the description below. I love her channel. I watch all of her vlogs, all of her videos. It's so cool. She does it so well and she spends so much time filming and editing. She definitely deserves to get monetized on YouTube. She's been on it for years, so please go and check her channel out because she is amazing. The second channel I want to talk about is Alex Parker Bell. He is a photographer and he has a YouTube channel about his journey being a freelance photographer. It's just a really great channel. He does it so professionally, like way better than what I could ever do. He's so truthful and so honest. His partner is my cousin also. She has a channel here on YouTube too, and I will link hers in the description below as well. Alex definitely deserves all the recognition he can get. So I'm going to link him in the description below. So go check him out, guys. So now I'm going to get into how my channel got monetized and how you guys can do it. So I do already have a YouTube, which is how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers, which I will link in an iCard and I will pop it in the description below. And that was kind of my journey on YouTube. Now 1,000 subscribers is one of the thresholds you need to meet to enable you to get monetized. The second one is to get 4,000 watch hours, and this is extremely difficult. Your videos need to be fairly long in order to get those watch hours, but not too long that people just click off them. You can see on my analytics that I do not reach the view time that I should be reaching. So if I've got a 10-minute video, normally people click off after like 4 or 5 minutes, which isn't great, but I've still managed to reach those 4,000 watch hours in order to get monetized. Now when you reach this, it's not an instant thing. YouTube then send your channel off for review and they will get back to you with a decision. It says within a month. I actually heard back within 2 days, which is amazing. You need to meet all the YouTube requirements in order to get monetized on YouTube. So you've got your 1,000 subscribers, you have your 4,000 watch hours, and now your channel is going off for review. When they come back and if they've made the decision that yes, you're going to get monetized, that's amazing. I was so excited by that email. Now there is one more step involved. It's not quite as easy to just monetize your videos and get paid. You have to reach a threshold, a certain amount of money in order to get paid. In the UK, it's £60. I'm not sure what it is in the US. I think it's about $100. But going off the UK's, you need to reach £60 before you can actually get paid. And if you don't manage to reach it within the month, it will just roll over to the next month. So you might have some months where you don't get any money. You might have some months where you get a fair amount of money. So currently while filming this video, I don't know how much I've made because this only happened yesterday or the day before and it hasn't quite updated me yet. So I'm gonna have to wait about a week to see how much I'm actually making, and then I'll know whether I'm even gonna reach that £60 threshold. And you actually can't put in a payment method until you've reached that £60 threshold. So now that you know the stages of that, I'm gonna go into how I managed to grow my channel to get the threshold that I needed to reach to be monetized. I don't really know what other YouTubers recommend. Obviously I have watched videos, but me personally, if you're starting a YouTube channel or you're not quite there with getting monetized yet and you feel like your channel is just kind of stuck and you don't know how to do it, I would definitely recommend getting some random videos put out on any kind of subjects and seeing which one has the most audience gauge from. from, then you know what audiences are going to want to watch. I was putting out just completely random videos. I was doing story times, DIYs, slime making, and then I did one about dental nursing, and this was the one that people wanted to see. I got a lot of views on it. I gained a lot of subscribers from it. I realized then dental nursing videos are the videos I need to be making. So definitely the first piece of advice I would have is to make random videos and find the one which people engage with the most, and then you know where your channel can kind of go. If you know what kind of channel you want already, then definitely stick to it and eventually you will get there. But it's just a case of making your videos exciting and engaging, not too long but not too short. Now obviously if you have some close friends and family members which are happy to watch your channel and help get your watch hours up, that's amazing. At the point of this video, which is March the 10th, I currently have 1,155 subscribers. Now I've been kind of stuck between 150 and 155 for a couple of weeks now. For me, it's now trying to find ways to grow my channel, and I'm really hoping that being monetized now is going to help me achieve that, because I know that a lot of people from the point of being monetized, their subscribers will then grow and their watch hours will then grow. So I'm going to be making a new channel trailer. I've done a new intro, I've done a new outro, so that I think will help a little bit, and I'm trying not to make my videos too long, although most of them are. That's definitely something to think about, is the length of your videos and how long people are actually going to watch your videos for. Definitely check your analytics on YouTube to make sure that what you're putting out there people are actually engaging with and wanting to see, and it's all just about persevering and knowing that one day you will reach it. So I think that pretty much brings me to the end of this video. Please go and check out those channels that I talked about. They honestly have such great channels and really deserve the recognition that I've been lucky enough to now get from my channel. I can't thank you enough to actually now be here calling this work rather than just a hobby is incredible. So thank you so much, guys. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you a bit of an insight into how to go about monetizing your YouTube channel. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button down below and hit the little bell next to it, which will notify you the next time I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!